In this video, I'm going to show you how you can order Ezzo pepperoni and sausage for home use. In a previous video, I interviewed Darren Ezzo of the Ezzo Sausage Company. Ezzo makes incredible pepperoni, which is generally available for commercial restaurants and pizzerias only. During the end of the video, Darren explains how you can order it online. I received an email from a pizza friend who said, "Hey, now you told us about Ezzo and we can't buy it." Well, I'm sorry. I want to explain how you can buy it. While Ezzo pepperoni is not available now, it may be available in the future. But here's how you can purchase Ezzo sausage right now. You can purchase it from the Pennsylvania Macaroni Company. Go to pennmac.com and in the search bar type in Ezzo. You'll be taken to a list of pepperoni products. You can buy a single stick of pepperoni or you can purchase a 5-pound package. Full disclosure, I'm not being compensated in any way by Ezzo Sausage Company or the Pennsylvania Macaroni Company. I'm just doing this as a public service announcement to spread the love of great pepperoni. I'll include resource links also below this video. If you could show a little pizza love while you're here and subscribe, pizza on earth, goodwill to all.